this is the interactive project that we do. So I'll demonstrate. So when I select the language here, it explains the section which is mentioned in particular language. For example, if I select English here and press preamble, the preamble will come in English.
Here is the preamble to the Constitution of India in English.
If I press Sanskrit and press preamble, it will come in
solemnly
Sanskrit.
reserve vayam bharatasya jana bharatam sampurna prabhutva sampannam
And others also.
samajvadinam
Also.
pehli samantaya adhikara right to equality
And this is other rights.
मौलिक अधिकारस्य अतिरिक्तम अन्ये अपि कतिपय
And this is English.
पूर्ण अधिकार भारत का प्रस्तावना है हम भारत के लोग भारत को एक संपूर्ण प्रभुत्व
So this is our project and my
This is a model made on the Constitution, what it contains. As we know, Constitution is a written document which contains all the laws and rights which citizens have to follow.
Democracy is a form of government in which we elect our representatives through election.
The article ensures that a freedom. The article ensures that our freedom is not violated and it is maintained.
Right to religion, right to freedom, right against discrimination, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies and right to
ओके तुम्हारा भी है
You choose a fundamental right and you tend to correct fundamental feature. So it's basically the good morning. Stand here, project here. It makes laws, it represents the people's voice, it also ensures that the laws meant for the people.
That is right. The Prime Minister and the ministers are also responsible to the Lok Sabha. If they don't have the majority, they have to resign.
That's right. It's called the House of People. And it is elected every 5 years. So our topic file is on the voices of the Indian Constitution. Here we can explain about the fundamental rights, what it means, the 6 fundamental rights, and other real life examples. With this, we also explain what are the right principles, where they're enshrined, and what are the differences between fundamental rights and directive principles. We've also mentioned about the separation of powers in the executive, legislative, and judiciary. We also have definition about the Constituent Assembly, who are they, and who were the key features in the drafting of Constitution. Key figures are like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Indian continuation, the drafting and adaptation, people from the school. With this we conclude that the people from school know more about the Constitution as they've been educated more about it in the school than society people.
Good morning. Fundamental rights which are shown all the 6 fundamental rights of India, like right to free
religion freedom against exploitation, constitution remedies, equality, and culture and education. Thank you.
There are three organs of the Indian Constitution: judiciary, executive, and legislative.
So we the student of Kendra Vidyalaya Hapal of class 9C are here to present our project on constitutional rights, and there are 6 constitutional rights in the book in between. And this is right to equality, right to freedom, right to freedom of religion, right against exploitation, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies by me and my friends.
There are 6 fundamental rights: right to equality, right to exploitation, right to religion, and right to freedom. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am the student of class 9C. I have made this constitution frame. In this constitution frame, I have wrote about preamble and the fundamental rights of constitution, and I have wrote about Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar and his painting.
I am a student of class 9C. I have done this project on constitution. I have wrote the preamble of our country and
This is the model which shows the fundamental rights of constitution. It is run the students of class 8A, myself Kushala.
Myself Kavya.
Myself Monica.
This is right to equality. It shows equality between two genders.